What else do you got besides the AMAs? What's your volume? Minimum meaning volume. You got me water, right? Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. All I do is talk all day long. You're not gonna see me complaining though. Once we get this thing going here. Yeah, it's back out there. Well, I have top step open twice. That makes no sense. Your internet speed's all right. Let me know if the sound is ever not clear. Let's get back on the chat.
Good.
Let's get back. Sorry, guys. We had a lag with the stream.
Sounds clear.
Sounds clear?
Very nice.
Okay.
Good.
Let me re-add the chat. The chat's off. Let's see, this thing's costing us money. This thing's costing us money. Let's get the embedded chat going. Let's add that back in there so we can hear the trading family. Let's go to OBS. We're back on. Okay, let's lock back into the charts now. So I'm trading 5 micros. We have this cross. Let's go to the real chart. Okay, so we broke above this 15-minute level that I marked earlier. 15 or 5 either way. Now, are we bouncing off it? Like, I mean, yeah, it looks like we are. Let's see how many. Oh, this could be that capitulation thing. You know, this is actually a good entry. I'm gonna jump back into that monkey, I think. Let's see. This could be a false break or a retest. Let's wait and see. Let's take a look at the DOM. What are people doing? You guys know about this thing called the tilt. So it'll tell you that NASDAQ 46% are long, 54% are short. Where's gold? That's all we care about, don't we? Okay. What are you watching?
I was looking at you.
All right, check this out. This is a strong pullback. Let's see. We have 2 minutes to close the 5-minute candle. If we can go up to here. I mean, it looks pretty damn strong. I'm not gonna lie. Once I get a feel for it, I'm gonna switch to my funded account. I think I'm gonna enter here. Because this is engulfing. We have a double cross. We're above EMAs. This is the mean reversion line for the Bollinger Band's orange line. We're technically still in an uptrend, but I mean, let's see what we got going on. We broke down, but we got bought back up. So the smart move is to wait for a break here, the bull flag, on the 5-minute. But again, I told you guys I am a degenerate. But here's what we'll do. We'll break this down to 30. 30 ticks for a trailing stop. That's nothing. So let's buy. Now it's too late. I want to get to the top of this. I might scalp on if it rejects. I might scalp if it rejects. But you know what? I'm not looking for shorts in an uptrend. That's a trap. Sometimes. Bro, are we offline again? We're good. But I'm not seeing the chat. Baby Al 12, free game, everyone. My man, appreciate that.
That's for real, bro. It's free game, bro. That's why I've watched this guy run up
Let me
an account live. Listen, everybody, I've watched this man. I swear I felt like watching Jordan courtside, bro. He was in his zone. I was just sitting right here quiet, running up to about $10,000 in less than 30 to 40. It was unbelievable, man. You know.
True story, man. Appreciate that. Hey,
Oh, yeah,
that was
it's
gold.
fire,
That
bro.
was during the gold rush. I hear
Fire, bro.
we're looking at a good flag here. What do you think about this? Are you still trading, by the way?
Yeah, I burned that account a couple days ago because I wanted to go in 180 macros
Hey
deep,
man,
guy.
hey, no, see that's a problem, bro. Look, it's $121 right now. I mean, that's
Yeah, at this rate, bro, like you can see what's going on, man. You know, but when
you
you're
can
over
breathe.
leveraged, you
No,
don't have time to think, bro.
one tick
Yeah.
will wipe you out. I can breathe right now. I'm relaxed. We have our lines drawn. We have our EMAs. There's no need to rush anything.
Yeah,
But
one thing I can tell you guys is that, you know, if don't try to unlock a prop account, you know, in a certain time frame or whatever. This is the long game, and this is the long journey that, you know, you gotta just learn through. It's not something that it's not a get rich quick scheme, man.
not at all.
You know,
I tried to
definitely
get
not.
rich quick. I tried. It might work for a day or two. The next thing you know, yeah, you lost your money and your mind. Now this looks like another rejection here. But do you want to buy above the EMAs? We have a cross right here. Let's see if these crosses are even real. You know, let's go to MIQ here. We got the same thing. Honestly, support and resistance have been more meaningful than anything before. Here's a resistance level aligning with the VRVP. It's not bad for a scalp on the downside for seeing it flush. What do you guys think about that? Yeah, where's our chat? I mean, this chat is too small to see, isn't it? Can you see that? But I love anybody who wants to join trading, man. I could talk about it for days. Oh, here we go. Look at exactly what I was saying. I just don't know if I'm comfortable with that, but I might be. For $100 risk, I mean, I can give back my profits. It's cool with me, but that's just dumb. The thing is, if we break under here, what happened last time? I mean, it doesn't mean anything though. Last time we tested, then we smashed down.
One thing, man, you know, when you catch that breakout, it's fire, bro.
But look, this is why I'm scalping. You know, I'm not trying to hunt those. But you know what? Actually, what we can do is we can have no stop loss, but a trailing stop.
Yeah.
Let it trail.
Yep, that's true.
Okay, what's 30 ticks at MIQ? You do the math on that? What is that? If it breaks here with strong volume, I will do that. I'll go heavy with the trailing stop.
It's not going heavy, bro.
Heavy 5 micros. I mean, that's, I'll get liquidated. Anyways. Are you able to see the chat? I mean, this thing's not updated because we had to re-log out and log back in.
I only see the chats that I put in.
Okay. All right. I mean, look, let's get back to the money, anyways. You know what I'm saying? Like, about you on YouTube, what's going on the because we're not able to access much on YouTube.
Yeah. I'm trying to see.
I see it right here, but you don't even show us. You don't even show us some love.
Well, I gotta show some love, huh?
Be the one closest to you. Hey, what do you guys think about this though? Is anyone buying this prematurely like this? I used to. You know? But did we ever wait like this before? Huh?
I would have been
Liquid.
I would have been liquidated by now.
This is more choppiness. Like inside of it here, we're not touching this. I'm better off going to sleep. You guys feel me?
Bro, the mental warfare trying to trade into that right there is it's tough, man.
Yeah.
It's very, very tough.
That's just a rookie mistake, man. Tat in the chat. What's up, bro? Welcome.
And I'll tell you guys what it feels like to be in a trade. It's like a heavyweight boxing match, man. And sometimes you're getting wrecked, you know, and it's like, you know, you want to hang in there, you're gonna get knocked out, you know. And then there's the days when you're knocking cats out, bro. But you can't predict those days.
Yeah, well, the hard part is knowing when to walk away. If it's a bad day, getting up and leaving is a tough thing, but I don't have a choice anymore. The way I set it up, auto does it. And especially if you're new, I'd recommend it highly. You know what's weird? I like these like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Call me crazy.
I mean, one thing you know that people think about trading is that they think they need to learn everything before they even start.
I mean, it depends. Some people are like that. They like to learn everything up front, or as much as they can before, or test a strategy, which is smarter, with like
Yeah.
fake money. I can't do it. I gotta get burned.
I mean, there's too much to. I mean, you're never gonna learn everything when it comes to this stuff. It's like
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you
so
get
much
the
different
big thing.
indicators and formulas you
The
could
thing
use.
is that
So
they're all lagging anyways. Indicators, they're good. You just have to find a strategy that works for you, and there's no how-tos to anything. So we're getting a reduction in volume. This is a 2 minute. So 2 minutes.
it would be fun to.
I like some music in the background while you wait.
Right now, if we had another
What monitor?
another top step account up,
Which one?
kind of like a risky one where we're running on.
Oh, we're going just bananas on it. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this pullback, man. But we're still again in this range. But if it breaks through, let's see. So we have this. This is actually a double spot here. We have that line right here drawn earlier. This is the previous low, and we also have this channel. But this is just choppiness. If it continues like this, I don't know if I'm even gonna trade it.
What was your trailing stop price?
Bro, I did 30 ticks on MNQ on 5 contracts. But I think the way to do it is not per contract, anyways.
Okay. I'm trying to get you a math number right now.
What? All right, all right. So we're seeing some rejection. We're seeing some rejection. Ball back up. This is why you don't rush in. You see? You been watching this? Like, what are you gonna buy? Unless you want to be in there for a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like this is like if it continues like this, we're better off sleeping. Oh, we actually have a break here on gold and a possible retest. Let's see in the 5 minute chart. Do you currently have an account right now, or are you taking a break right now? What's going on? Hello? You currently have an account? Taking
No,
some.
I do have an account now.
Huh?
No.
No, okay, good. Yeah, that's fine. This looks actually kind of clean. Gold. And if we break the previous high, so let's draw another area right here. So this area right here.
You back on gold, I like gold.
Well, gold looks like it broke out of that bear flag, and this is where the profit target will be pretty much. I like to just give it a little bit less room. I think if we get a break here with volume, it might be a liquidity sweep. So we can do it with a quick stop. Or we can try to run
You
that.
see, it never went under that 21 EMA. Look, it wicked under it for a little bit, but it bounced right back up.
Where,
See,
yeah,
that.
that's a great signal, the 21 EMA.
Yeah.
21, 20 EMA, I use both simultaneously. But here, look, this is actually might be a good buy here. Now, do I want to scalp it or do I want to take it? I think I might just take it, not even a scalp, and then do a trailing stop if it breaks. Again, guys, we want to see a break above here, multiple rejections. We're above the VRVP. This is a tough spot. It's not bad to put an order here.
But we do have clear blue skies above that, right?
If we break here, yeah, we do.
If we break that, we got clear blue skies.
Clear blue skies meaning we broke the biggest VRVP node. This is where a lot of selling and buying happens. It's clear. Let me make sure. So we break above that, we're looking good. Oh, it's telling me that we're offline right now. Is that true?
No, it's live on YouTube right now still.
All right. Looks good, this thing. I'm using restreams. I don't know if anyone uses anything better. So I wouldn't go short here at all. There we go. Let's see. I want to see a break here. It's a little bit of a lag. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. This is it. But look, hey, you're right. Here's a double bottom on the 20.
Go to the hour.
We rejected off the 20.
Twice.
Yeah, oh, so we're above VWAP. This might be a pullback. Or a retest. This is what I'm saying here. I mean, we're looking short term. Yeah, long term might be a pullback on the hourly. Let's see though. We have these areas here. If we're looking very short term, we have a spot right here. That's kind of aligning with the VRVP node. You know, my indicator is saying buy. But last time, yeah, I'd consider a little bit of a riskier play here. Let's break it down to a smaller time frame. I'm shaking my head because of this volume. But look, MNQ is overtaking it. Not like yesterday, there was a lot more volume on both. A lot bigger move. See, this is the thing with low volume. You can see a lot of choppiness all day long.
Yeah, it's tougher to catch a break on.
Yeah, there's no news. I mean, things are already getting slammed during the day.
Hey, bro, get out of that gold, bro.
Let's see. What's going on? No, I mean, look. What time frame? What time frame are you watching? Yeah, look here. Look. It's drawn out right here for you. Yeah, this is the area. I want to see a break here, a clean break with volume. But look at the volume bars, man. This is a 2 minute. We're zoomed in. Let me go back here. I pulled up. Oh yeah. I mean, okay, that's a pickup on volume. We want to see a clear break. This would be a little risk, but if I see it,
it's a little premature. I don't think much though, honestly.
Until you get wicked out. Look, these guys are thinking the same thing. Oh, look all the bars beforehand. They were thinking all the same thing, and then woof.
Yeah.
They got slammed every time.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, when it starts moving that quick, but you don't even know what to do, bro. It's moving so fast.
You're just sitting there with your mouth open.
People tell you, oh, why don't you get out, bro? I couldn't even think, bro. What are you talking about?
That's why I like preset. Look at that.
Yeah, the preset, you have to.
Do you see that? You see that rejection?
Bro, you gotta understand that this is happening so fast. Like, people need to understand that by the time you hit sell, the price has already changed before your computer even told it to sell.
Depends on volume. You know what I like about this indicator? Look at this. This tells you if there's bullish divergence or bearish divergence. Look, this is a bear. We have a higher high and we have a higher high, but lower RSI. So it tells you off the bat if it's a bear.
Okay.
Bearish divergence, which is pretty damn consistent from what I've seen. And so it's telling us that's going to go down.
This is fire getting to watch you like this while you're thinking in real time, bro. I'm telling you. These guys better know, bro. Make sure they know, bro. It's about the free game, bro.
Man, I just love doing it. And my plan is to
the only difference between this man right here and any guys you see down, this guy's just not profitable yet. He's just as good as all these guys.
Hey, not profitable. Yeah. Hey, that might go through. Your mic. No, Tad, we're not in on this yet. No, there's nothing to buy here. This is just complete consolidation.
I get it.
Look at these selling bot. Even the bot doesn't know what to do. You know, I'd be profitable if I had some discipline. Like how I'm trading now. You know, I was
Yeah,
good.
but no, we're talking about profitability over a long time frame. Though. We're not
Yeah,
just talking about making money. You know, we're talking about over time.
for sure, for sure. Look, there's no BSing here. This is straight truth. You're seeing everything live. So, I mean, so yeah. See, I mean, I can hear that coming off the mic. It might go
Oh,
through.
yeah,
But are you hearing it yourself?
no, I
No,
don't hear it.
yeah, you don't even need it unless you want to check
I
it
just
out.
want to make sure that we're getting good audio though.
Let's get out of this 2 minute and 1 minute garbage. Well, this is actually not horrible, but it's just not clean. Nothing's clean. It's not able to break this node. It might actually just reject hard. Once it tries like this so many times, it's
When's the last time it was at this price range? Go back. Well,
I don't know if we have time for that
what
here.
day was this over here? This area. What day was that? Was just a couple of days ago, right?
Bro, yesterday, Thursday, February 5. What do you mean today? At 4.
Yeah. What the hell happened here?
But you know
bro?
what? Once it broke though, it smashed up to
Oh,
all the
look at this, bro. Dump off, right?
and all towards market close 4:30. You know what I don't like about Top Step though? You can't trade past 4.
They cut you out early.
Yeah, an hour early. And after at 4 o'clock, the market moves. Okay, this is looking kind of good, but again, might be a liquidity sweep. What's anyone thinking?
If you can't identify liquidity, you're it, huh?
You are the liquidity.
But I mean, I feel like liquidity is a tough thing to identify because it
Well,
could be like a false of something else, or it could be something else, and you're telling yourself it's liquidity. But
yeah,
from
but
my understanding, liquidity sweeps don't happen that often.
they happen all the time. All it is an area where it makes sense to buy,
Yeah,
like a change of character,
yeah,
break of structure, and there's the institutions or the big players have sell orders right there,
yeah.
ready for suckers,
Automatic sell orders.
ready for the guys there
Yeah,
because they know they're gonna buy there, so
yeah.
they just
Because
dump it
they're
on them.
thinking ahead.
Well, because they have so much money that they
Yeah.
need a lot of orders to even get filled. So again, they know there's buy orders up here, so it's just gonna get rejected. Let's take a look back
And
at.
especially if they have automatic thing, it's getting wicked out
Oh, it's all
immediately.
algorithms. It's all algorithms. They're there, but if there's nothing there, there's no need to force. With this kind of patience, I'll go to the Express here. I mean, I have a $250 limit to lose, so tighten up on this one. But we've been patient. That doesn't mean the setup is guaranteed. There's no guarantees. I'm cutting off kind of the chart here. Right here. We're not been using the DOM. I'll give you guys a little bit more view. So, I mean, technically, we're still in a downtrend. If we draw,
Make sure you changing these to gold.
well, yeah, but I'm not even. Yeah, that's a good point, bro. I don't like how I'm sure there's a setting where you can auto do that because that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Is this on it? Okay.
No, it's on. No, change. You change once you change the order. I think.
Yeah, that's dumb. Top Step, fix that. So this is actually my funded account. Full transparency. So you have a $2,000 drawdown. I'm down 1,200 on this one. Just trading recklessly because I unlocked it in 2 days, which is a minimum time.
How much is the lag on here? Just in general.
I have no idea. I haven't been streaming that much.
No, I'm talking about on like the pop rooms.
Oh, I mean, because it's a simulated account, unless you're funded, and even then, you're still on a simulated account. So when you get like to the best account,
Yeah.
then it's quicker.
Fast you get 4 payouts. You get moved up to.
Which
Got
one?
moved up to
The Pro Plus?
Yeah, you got moved up.
I did get moved up. Yeah, I made 10K in one day, and then I blew it. I took a withdrawal, and I blew the remaining amount.
But no, I mean they only move you to that type of account when you've had multiple payouts though. Before you get moved to that multiple account.
Well, they have some rules. Either you're consistently profitable,
Yeah.
or you have 10K in one day. If you make 10K in profits in one day, automatically
You get moved up to funded.
no, you're already funded. This
You're already
is
funded. You get
Pro
moved up to
Plus.
the
That's where you get 90%. But that was take profit. I don't like take profit as much as I do Top Step now. That's why I'm just trading Top Step. Oh, look at this. Our gold's coming back down. This is a very tricky day to trade. If you're in,
If anybody's trying anything, try Tradeify. I don't know. I've been trying to warn to try Tradeify.
Anybody out there try Tradeify? There's a lot out there.
Let us know, man, please. Yeah, because we've tried all of them except I think Tradeify. And
I haven't tried Tradeify. I tried not Alpha Traders. I tried one of those.
Alpha Traders, I've been wanting to try it
Why?
out too, because I think Alpha Traders says you could basically one day trial and get it unlocked.
It's probably one of those ones like ETF.
Yeah.
Where you had to be consistent for 35 days to see like $800. Oh, look at this. I mean, this could be a move. Because look, this is a capitulation. There's a pattern exactly like this, where it does this. So look at this. This is a beautiful. Let's change the color here. No, let's get fancy with it. Let's make this one green. No, let's make it yellow. They're not just a yellow?
Yeah.
No, text yellow. That's what we're talking about. So we break that high. We're looking good.
And they kind of show where you're talking about the clear. You see this that's where you.
What do you this area here?
Skies, yeah.
Yeah, I mean the VP zone. But what I'm saying is whenever it wicks up here, you see these wicks.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks, oh yeah, I'm breaking out.
No, you need clear confirmation.
And volume.
And volume, yep.
Exactly. And that's a mistake.
And what would clear confirmation be? It would be like a full candle close above that line.
A full candle close above these. Right here, that's what the yellow line is. Or a break and then retest with volume.
Yeah, but then it's retesting that new.
The new
support.
The old resistance, which is new support.
Yep.
Exactly. Okay. I mean,
we'll get a nice push on
this is the way though. I have patience. Oh, look at this.
Yeah,
this is just going. Let's redraw some lines here.
What's the micro on this?
You know, I'm this patient. The degenerate in me wants to come out. You know, I wanna.
This 5 minute candlestick is nicer.
Which one?
Oh, we got on gold right now.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching right here. I'm watching it.
I think we had like a doji before that.
Oh, this is the area I'm talking about.
Oh my god, right here, it's about to break it.
Yeah, let's see.
Breaking it, yeah.
But the volume, look at this, still kind of weak, but we have 2 minutes on this candle.
It wants to.
Oh, that's it. Let's see. Again, this is just, we gotta see it here. It might reject hard, or if you continue.
This is gonna be the third retest. This is gonna be the third test.
That's the liquidated sweep right there.
He called it. You see that, guys? He called it in real time.
Yeah, let's
That's
see.
the third test, and it got stopped right there.
But you know what they say though.
Wait.
Third time's a charm.
Wait, let's see. Oh my god, this is insane, bro.
Third time's a charm though. Let's see. You know, 3 tests they say it's a good time.
Yep.
But we gotta watch it though. Because
look,
anyone that tells you they know doesn't know.
11:18. We got 2 minutes on this candlestick. But from what you're saying, you see it's already dumping off because they have the auto.
Yeah, they know people are buying here. But this is strong. But it's all about candle close on 5 minute. We're closing above this unless it wicks the hell down in a minute. It's just a bullish bias. But we don't have volume. We don't. If no one's buying, how's it gonna move? There we go. I mean, look, it did get swept out.
Yep. So that's it right now. So that means
again, we gotta see what's going on.
It's gonna be a drop off the low.
But you know, sometimes Gold does the opposite. This is
right there in that you could have blew like 3 accounts right there.
this is the choppiness.
Literally.
This right here is you gotta draw your no trade zones.
Yep.
But again, you can trade within this. I'm not one of those. You could take a couple hundred here. If you're not looking for big swings, it's fine.
See that's a strong area of resistance, man. Very, very strong. Right there, that 48.43. I mean that
yes,
right
it
there
is.
is a strong area.
Hey, but now this is also a strong support.
Yeah.
Let's see. This whenever I see a green opening like that, it typically wicks red. Let's see if it wicks red or wicks green. Look, this might be a trick. Let's see. Look, I told you. Sometimes it opens green and it flips. It suckers in some buyers, then it flips on them.
This guy's calling it in real time, bro. I told you guys. I told you.
That's a liquidation.
Free game right here, bro.
Whenever the candle opens green, a new one opens green, you see the flip real quick. So they're trying to tell you, come in. Yeah, come on in, baby.
I told you guys.
Come on in. Yeah, this is a green candle. Yeah, we're going strong. No, we're not. This actually might be a good long. But look, we're getting almost across here. My bot's saying sell. Let's see. Hey, this is actually not a bad one. This might not be a bad one right here. But again, look, it just wicking people. Do you see this? Wick. But we're getting a close. Well, let's see the last close. I mean, this is the, what do you call this? Inverse hammer. That's a bearish pattern. Okay, like I get that. I kind of want to trade it, but do I have the right to trade this? You guys tell me. What do you guys think? Anyone got any opinions? People sleeping. What's today? Today's Thursday night. Yeah. We all should be sleeping. Well, tomorrow's Friday. It's the last day we can trade too.
What's up, man? Talking about cheap viewers?
It's probably one of those scam things, you know. Come get cheap viewers. Oh, what do I need cheap viewers for? I want real viewers. I want people with interest. Man, this might be a false break, guys. And I think I'm gonna take it. I might take the bait. But it's not even showing anything. Oh. Let's wait for the 5. Ooh, there we go. No, this might be eating up real quick though. Yeah, 30 ticks tight. Let's let it bounce up a little bit, then we can get a squeeze maybe. Yep.
Order rejected.
Maximum position. Oh, you know what? We should do a scalp. We missed that little move. We should bring this down. This is the one that I'm actually doing less on. Oh, we missed that move.
Order rejected.
What? Did they change it? 2 contracts. 2 contracts max because of volatility. These guys are... That means I want to change this. With 2 contracts, you're not gonna hit that. Oh my god, man. Like now, this is the problem. It's like, I want to see it come up a little bit. I want to see people take some profits, but I don't know. It might just wick.
Order rejected.
What the?
It breaks.
Am I able to trade this? Oh, this is ridiculous, bro. This is ridiculous. Why not? I can't trade one. Yeah, but I mean, let's see now.
Order rejected.
It has 11 on there. You got 11 on there.
How do I not have margin? What's this?
You got 11. That's why.
But that's just trailing stop. How do I turn her
Order
off?
rejected.
I hear that one more time. I don't understand what that means. Not enough margin, though. Either way, like the move is done.
Yeah.
for now. I'm gonna get off this account. I don't know. This is my Express account. Is it because I set my limits tight? You know, maybe.
Try to move it for a second and then try it.
Oh, what's up, Haas? What's up, baby? Look, we got Haas on the chat, man. What's up, man?
Yeah, baby.
Make some money with
How
us,
about
man.
that one-on-one today, baby? That basketball. Me and Haas balled on some cats.
Oh,
today,
yeah?
bro. You know?
Man, I miss basketball, but I don't want to risk an injury. You know what? That's some, you know what I'm talking about. Some
Haas has his
B-word stuff.
account. Tell him hop in and tell this trade right now.
Yeah, but just warning that it might lag. I'm not in any trade. I had this move, but it wouldn't let me. I gotta figure out what's going on there. I gotta ask that bot later or something. No rush, it's fine. Let me find these other ones. Yeah, I want to switch. Why am I in 250 here? Oh, because I have $1,000 left on this one. All right. What are we talking about? Look at this. The 2 minutes are a little more exciting because are they just not gonna let me trade? This is a engulfing candle.
Not gonna lie, this is like, you know, this is not as bad as it is. Maybe it's because we're together though.
What do you mean?
Because when you're just like doing like small trades and like by yourself, I kind of get bored. I start jamming right away. You know,
No, man. But I'm gonna do this long term. I don't want to reset accounts. We know how to trade. Just the generous. We end up gambling. Basically gambling.
It's a very fine line, yeah.
No, I mean like the way we trade before. I mean, I'm in Q. What do you want to do? Oh, that looks like it's gonna go down. I don't know. Like, I'm worried to even put a trading on gold. What am I?
Gold got pushed back up, bro. What?
Yeah, man. That's why I was worried about missing that move. That's why, bro. Scalping is just better than taking these quick, especially in this market. But look at this bad boy. I'm in Q. She's coming down. Again, this is supposed to be a bullish candle. I don't see it that way because technically bulls pushed it up, but we're on the hourly. What are we doing there? It's none of our business. On the hourly though, real quick. How's the voice going through, Mar? Are you able to hear me? This thing's in my chin actually. Never mind. There's no way.
Talk.
Yeah, I mean, can you hear me now? I mean, or is it coming out low?
Oh, you good? I hear you clear.
All right, it's right in my chin. That's fine. But look at this thing. It's kind of annoying. All right, let's go back to gold.
Oh man, we missed that move right there, man.
No, this is the real move because we're in uptrend, right? This is the real move.
Yeah.
We're gonna break here again. We're back in the same spot. Now everyone's excited for sure. Let's see. I mean, it doesn't hurt to scalp here, but will it let me even take a freaking trade? Here we go again. Oh, this time I think it's gonna break it, man.
Oh man.
Can I buy 3, please? No, they said two contracts.
I just 16. That's insane.
What?
$16 move. No, I was just like looking at the move from candle to candle, but that's a $16 swing right there.
How many ticks would that be, you know?
I don't know, but I know if you had 18 minis, my boy, you'd be buying a Bitcoin.
18 minutes? Oh, yeah.
You'd be buying a Bitcoin, huh?
But buy every Bitcoin I can get my hand on. Not at this price. I would dollar cost average. I wouldn't put all in one price. Because it can go down to 54. Look, again, we might get this rejection here, but I don't know, man. How many times do we test? And this is a false break, then I think this is going to be the move to the upside that we're looking for. Because now we're picking up some volume. This might be the move.
About to break that wick. I mean, if it breaks that wick, this has to be the move, right? Where's that wick at, though? Let me see.
What wick? These wicks right here.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, and then we have that. We also have a trend line, the red trend line right here. But off a massive candle like that. Let's see what happens. We got a minute. Okay. That's gonna be a strong close. What's the dom looking like? There's some pretty even. MQ is boring me to death. This is what we're looking for. They're looking for this close. $13 No. Yeah.
Been hitting the gym?
I try to go to one to 4 times a week. I think I went twice this week at least. Let's see. The Kool-Aid saying we got what's the name, bro? Live scalper. He makes indicators. This guy. Oh, let's see. Is this a false one? Why would it be, right? He saying NQ to 540. That's a massive move, bro. Oh, that text was a while ago, wasn't it? I hope you didn't take it. Bro, I'm worried about not being able to buy anything here.
I mean, I think you gotta move
Order
that
filled.
thing. So there it is. We're in. You're in, baby.
Yeah, that's a move.
That's fire.
That's a good move.
Break of structure. Break of structure. We just had a break of structure. Right
Exactly. Everything entered. Oh, you had this. Is that the smart money
here.
concept?
Yeah, look smart money, baby. Looks all.
Now look where my trailing stop is, by the way. That's what I want to show you. I can't lose money.
Yep.
So I'm riding in my 30.
You see, I was doing that, but I was doing it manual myself. I'll drag the stop
Yeah,
loss there.
I think on TradingView you can't do it. That's why.
Well, I was trading in what happened? I was trading in choppiness, and I was doing that, but then I'll take profit, but then I'll lose it on the next candlestick, and then eventually what happened? I'd get what do you call it? Like slowly, I'd get taken out eventually. You know? What I mean?
Yeah. 'Cause that's something I'm working on myself. Is like once I take profits, jumping back in
Yeah.
for another piece.
Yeah. That's pretty much what I.
Order
I'll sit there.
filled.
It'll take like 20 minutes maybe. I'll sit there because up down until you eventually get stopped out.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, because it gets to a point when you gotta take your chance, bro.
Well, I mean, this was clear. So to me, I told you the 5-minute close.
No, but this was the whole thing of us waiting for this setup. How long we been on stream, bro? It's almost 2 hours now, bro.
Is it really?
Yeah, bro. Sometimes
Oh, we have to restart the stream too. We have to restart both streams.
11:30.
Yeah,
We've been sitting for a long time waiting for a setup. This is how you're supposed to trade, everybody.
that's exactly how you're supposed to trade.
It's you're supposed to wait and sit and strategize.
Look, real
But
trading.
like I said, it makes it funnier with somebody.
Yeah, I'm down to trade every day. Too bad we can't trade the New York Open, bro. I mean, the volume would be crazier. But the thing is, you're saying is like it's like a boxing match. It shouldn't be like that. It should be no emotions. You should have a strategy. You're clean.
Yeah, like this. You're
But look at that.
calm, you know.
See, this is why you have the trailing stop.
Immediately double.
At least I captured some profit.
Yep.
Not much. I could have took more, but I'm okay with that. Because I can only buy two micros.
Yeah.
They're limiting us because volatility is wild. Now this is what you were talking about, right? The retest.
Yep.
This is the retest. Now that was resistance for an hour.
Yeah.
Now it became
So
support.
it's gonna be a support.
I think it's met up.
Worked
It
out.
might be because you gotta wait till candle close.
Yeah.
Again, I'm looking at the 2-minute, by the way.
You see, guys, I'll tell you guys, I did not know anything about trading, and we started this. I started learning from him, and I just pick up little things from him, and I was able to actually get funded with no knowledge. I did not study everything. I literally just started trading on Top Step with a live account, and I burned it and kept burning it, and then eventually I did get one, but then I burned it after I got it funded.
Hey, but you know how long it takes people to fund an account? There was a guy on Reddit, it took him like a year.
I got funded my third account on Top Step. First two I blew them, the third one was funded.
That's pretty damn good. Seriously. Okay, let's see. I might re-enter because this is again what we're talking about here. This is old resistance turned support.
Because we just had a break of structure.
Yeah. Now, 1 second time frame. This guy.
Go back. No, click that again. Show them the ticks. You see that, guys? You can do this by ticks. This is how crazy. Man, so what a tick is like? What, less than a second, pretty much?
No, a tick is how much a contract moves. You know,
Yeah.
like NQ, a tick is what, 0.25, and it moves.
Yeah.
I think the mini is $20. Don't quote me. And I think the micro is $2 per tick.
Man.
It's a quarter. Like, I don't know, man. It keeps you structured though to be live and to be with somebody, so you're not like jumping in. This area right here, I don't know how much I like it, but if it breaks, I might take a short here. I just don't like trading two contracts. I mean, it's how much, you know what I'm saying? Like, I used to trade 15 minis, but this is the right way, I guess. Oof.
So the problem with that is with trading over leveraging, is because you're gonna make money. You're gonna make $6, $7, $8,000 in a trade within like 5 minutes. But also you're gonna be like you're gonna be open to the downside of losing that much that quick. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
So like right now, what he's saying is basically you're able to watch what's going on. You see, he's in the trade. He's not stressing.
You know how
He's calm.
athletes they slow the game down.
Yeah.
That's how you have to be.
Yep. And it's hard to do that when you're on the verge of blowing that account because you're so over leveraged.
That's right, Tat. Get in and out at the right place. Don't fall in love. We don't have a bias here. There's no bias. The market tells us what to do. We're not looking to buy only. Well, I mean, if you're looking at hourly, technically you should be looking for buys if we're above VWAP. Hourly, this is still in a downtrend though. I mean, MNQ. This is actually a very strong hourly point that I was watching. So if it breaks that, I might put the house on it, guys. I might put the house on it. Oh my! But are they gonna let me? Are they gonna let me trade, bro? Then you know what I should do? I should jump to an NQ contract. But the thing
They
is,
only give you that sign though when it's insane. It's like very you don't even want to be trading
it's
water.
been doing that since like yesterday.
Yeah, you don't want to be trading water.
This is my 100 account. I mean, I might take this short. I am a little. This is a mini though. It's a little reckless though. So let's wait for a retest here at least if we can get here. Oh no, it's probably gonna get eaten up. We are above VWAP. Does that matter? If we get up here, that's a great sell. So let's see. Just a lot of volume going on here. Look at the juice. You see what I'm saying? I might have to do like, okay, what's a tick per MQ contract?
Order filled.
It goes by dollars, the thing.
Order filled.
See, about 10 ticks got me out that fast. No, a tick is how much? It's a quarter. But what is that quarter? It's like a quarter move in the Nasdaq. What's the equivalent?
Stop. No, I was looking at the trading.
No, how much is one tick worth in a NQ contract? I like this move to the downside if it holds. At least to retest VWAP. This trailing stop loss has been a game changer. So I switched to minis.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, what am I doing? I meant to buy a trailing stop. Let it come up a little bit, then we can go and sell on market. You know, I can't add a trailing here. This is a strange thing. Did you find out what that is?
Gold. They gave me gold.
The gold, I think it's $1 per 10 cents for the micros. I'm trading a mini now, so I want to know how much of a trail I should have.
MQ tick size is 25 cents.
No, NQ. Yeah, 25 cents, but how much is that per dollar if you're in a contract? So we're looking at.
What ticks $2?
I'm looking at. Oh my God, bro, that was gold I bought that in, but it moved exactly the same.
You gotta be careful with that on top stuff, bro.
Thank God I didn't blow up in my face.
Yeah, because they moved the same. You're right.
Yeah, so it didn't even matter. Oh, if it opened red like this might go up. Well, I hope it breaks it. No, I'm looking at the 1 minute.
Every $1 move is 2 ticks on MAQ.
Every 2 ticks, so point like 50 cents.
Yeah,
Oh no,
50
how much? 1 tick is how much?
50 cents.
No, NQ.
NQ, not MAQ.
Yeah, I'm trading NQ. So I want to know what 15 ticks is gonna be like. You know, some other places have dollars.
Order
Dollar value
filled.
per tick is $5. 1 point equals $20. So 4 ticks equals 1 point. So it's
Order
20 bucks
filled.
for 4 ticks.
Just broke even on that, huh? So each quarter is worth $5. Okay, so 15 tick is, so 4 ticks is only a point. 1 point is $1. So 15 ticks is $300. Yeah, that's too much.
Yep.
So let's do
12 ticks is $300.
12 ticks is $300.
No, it's $60.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, 12 ticks is 60 because 4 ticks equals 20 bucks.
So 15 is solid for me with my
Yeah.
account if I'm trying to risk 250. Then what are we talking about when we're talking about 20 ticks?
How much you want to risk?
About 150.
Doesn't
But I'm
give you much room. That's bro, one trade. That's like 1 tick down and you're out.
But this is
Come on,
this is
man,
trailing.
you're out.
So I should do 30. 30 is how many? 30 ticks. It's like per quarter.
30 tick stop. You should do.
30 tick is, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said. 30 tick stop for 2 contracts. Should be 15 tick stop each.
Order filled.
So I'm doing 30.
Yeah, it's about 7.5 points. Each point is 20 bucks.
So
So
right
it's
here.
like 120. 120 is like you said, yep.
This is not a great buy. It's not a great buy, but that's what I'm looking for.
Order filled.
It's just too volatile. See that tick move. It doesn't give me much range, but
you see that? You got too quick.
yeah, but it's volatile. I want that squeeze, you know. I want that flush.
That's another thing of like it's not a downside because these are good to have, but you know you could be right about a trade, but if you have a stop loss like that, you're gonna get stopped out before.
But look at this though, how much I could have lost.
Yeah, how much you gonna? That's what I'm saying. It's good to have it. You know?
I gotta have it because look, you could take a bunch of losses, and then you could just have one breakout and it'll recover all of them.
If you didn't blow that account, that's why you should have these.
That's exactly what happened. Man. Look, overall I'm down $3. Right?
Oh, that's fire, bro.
So I could keep pressing that.
Yeah.
Lose a couple bucks here and there. But at that point, I was up like 80. That's the problem. The trailing drawdown. Yeah, that's a problem. I gotta sleep soon though, guys. I sleep soon. I gotta work tomorrow at 8.
Yeah, it's not our day. It's not our day. We're gonna live to fight another one.
That's it. It's looking pretty dull.
I'm about to go back and watch all your videos though, bro. That's some good content out there, bro.
Thanks, man. Still working on these, but I'm gonna trade live every time. But let's call it a night, man. It's a good session. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Let's end that one here, and then we gotta go.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I like this, bro. This is fun.